Hi everyone. Welcome back. Life has been pretty busy lately, but today is something special. Anna got her new job, and we're celebrating with a camping trip for Independence Day. Join us on our adventure, and let's practice real-life English together. Let's go.
Did you pack the folding chairs?
Yep, they're already in the trunk.
What about the cooler?
It's right behind the chairs.
Good. I don't want to buy ice twice again.
I remember that. Everything melted before we even got there.
Lesson learned.
Better safe than sorry.
Wait, did you pack the bug spray?
Oh no. I knew I forgot something.
I'll grab it. It'll only take a minute.
Thanks. You're saving our weekend already.
That's what teammates do.
I like the sound of that.
Me too. Let's hit the road. Wow, look at all these cars.
Everyone had the same idea.
Are we going to be stuck here?
Maybe. Wait, the GPS found another route.
Is it faster?
Only by about 10 minutes. But I drove this road once before. It has some beautiful views.
Really?
Trust me, you'll like it.
Okay, let's go this way.
Good choice. Sometimes the longer way turns out to be the better one.
Kind of like my job search?
Exactly. Every step taught you something.
That's true. I learned a lot even before I got this job.
And now you're gaining experience. That's what really matters.
I never thought about it that way.
This is just the beginning.
Which side goes first?
I think this one. Can you hold the pole?
Like this?
Perfect. Now pull it towards you.
It's harder than it looks.
Don't worry, we're getting there.
I think it's leaning.
You're right. Let's straighten it out.
Much better.
See? Teamwork helps.
I couldn't have done this alone.
Good thing you didn't have to.
That smells amazing.
I was hoping you'd say that.
You actually remembered the seasoning.
I wasn't going to make the same mistake twice.
Good. Last time the food tasted pretty plain.
I know. This should be much better.
It already looks delicious.
Here, give it a try.
Wow, that's really good.
Worth bringing the grill?
Definitely. Everything tastes better outside. It's so peaceful here.
Hard to believe we're only an hour from the city.
Listen, you can barely hear anything.
I know. That's what I love about this place.
I didn't realize how much I needed a quiet place like this.
Sometimes we don't realize how tired we are until we slow down.
You're probably right. I've been thinking about work almost every day.
And today, you don't have to. Just enjoy the fresh air and let yourself relax.
I'm trying. And you know what? I already feel better.
That's exactly why we came.
I think I needed this more than I realized. Hi.
Hi there. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. We couldn't have asked for better weather.
Are you two camping here for the weekend?
Yeah, we got here this morning. How about you?
We've been here since yesterday.
Lucky you. You had an extra day to relax.
We sure did. This is one of our favorite campgrounds.
Is this your first time camping here?
Oh no, we've been coming here every summer for the past 5 years.
Then you probably know all the best spots.
We know a few.
If you're planning to watch the fireworks tonight, don't stay near the main campground.
Really?
It gets very crowded.
There's a small hill near the lake. The view is much better from there.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. Just get there a little early.
We will. We really appreciate it.
Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
You too. Maybe we'll see you again tonight.
I'm sure you will.
Can you believe how much has changed since we moved here?
I know. Sometimes it feels like we've been here much longer.
A few months ago, we didn't even live here.
No, this place already feels like home.
We've been through a lot together.
We have. I think every change has taught us something.
Even the difficult ones?
Especially the difficult ones. They helped us grow.
I never thought about it that way.
Sometimes life surprises you in the best ways.
I'm excited to see what happens next.
Me too.
I'm really glad we came. Wow, look at that one.
It's beautiful.
I'm so glad we came up here.
Me too. They were right. The view is amazing.
That might be the biggest firework I've ever seen.
Wait, I think there's another one coming.
Wow, that was incredible.
Definitely my favorite so far.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
I don't think I'll ever forget this.
Neither will I.
Look at all those stars.
It's amazing, isn't it?
They make everything else seem so small.
Sometimes that's exactly what we need. A chance to step back and see the bigger picture.
You know, I've been thinking a lot lately.
About what?
I want to keep learning. I want to keep growing.
Me too. I don't want to stop challenging myself.
I know it won't always be easy.
The important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time.
And never stop believing in ourselves.
Exactly. Small steps can lead to big changes.
I'm excited to see where life takes us.
Whatever happens, we'll figure it out together.
That sounds pretty good to me. I wish we could stay one more day.
Me too. But I think we're leaving at the right time.
Yeah, I'm going home with a clear mind.
That's one of the best things about trips like this.
We got some rest and a fresh start.
Exactly. Now it's time to put that energy to good use.
One step at a time.
That's all it takes. Just keep moving forward.
No matter how small the step.
Every step counts.
I'm ready for whatever comes next.
Me too. Let's make it a good week.
Deal, let's go home.
Now, try listening at natural speed. Listen carefully.
Look at all those stars.
It's amazing, isn't it?
They make everything else seem so small.
Sometimes that's exactly what we need, a chance to step back and see the bigger picture.
You know, I've been thinking a lot lately.
About what?
I want to keep learning. I want to keep growing.
Me too. I don't want to stop challenging myself.
Great job. Now let's listen to the conversation one more time at natural speed without subtitles. Don't worry if you miss a few words. Just focus on the main ideas and enjoy the conversation.
Look at all those stars.
It's amazing, isn't it?
They make everything else seem so small.
Sometimes that's exactly what we need, a chance to step back and see the bigger picture.
You know, I've been thinking a lot lately.
About what?
I want to keep learning. I want to keep growing.
Me too. I don't want to stop challenging myself.
How much did you understand? Did you catch every word? If not, listen again and keep practicing.